Welcome back to our channel, fellow foodies. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the world of walnut cookies. Get ready to discover the delightful flavors and textures of these delectable treats, while also uncovering some fascinating unknown facts. Let's jump right in. Walnut cookies are a beloved Chinese dessert that combines the richness of walnuts with the delicate sweetness of a cookie. Join us as we explore the origins, unique features, and little-known facts about these mouth-watering delights. To truly appreciate walnut cookies, we need to understand their roots. These delectable treats have a long history and are deeply rooted in Chinese culinary traditions. They have been enjoyed for centuries, with their origins dating back to ancient China. Originally, walnut cookies were made using traditional techniques and simple ingredients. Over time, they became popular throughout China and gained recognition as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. What makes walnut cookies stand out among other cookies? Let's explore their unique features. Feature 1: Crunchy exterior, chewy interior. Walnut cookies have a delightful contrast in textures. The outer layer is crispy and slightly crumbly, while the inside remains chewy and packed with flavor. This combination of textures creates a satisfying experience with each bite. Feature 2: Rich walnut flavor. As the name suggests, walnut cookies are infused with the distinct taste of walnuts. The toasty and nutty flavors from the finely chopped or ground walnuts give these cookies their signature taste. It's a flavor that appeals to nut lovers and cookie enthusiasts alike. Feature 3: A symbol of good luck. In Chinese culture, walnuts are believed to bring good luck and positive energy. Walnut cookies often make an appearance during festive occasions, representing wishes for a prosperous and fortunate future. They are a meaningful and delicious treat to share with loved ones. Now, let's uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about walnut cookies. Fact 1: A traditional Lunar New Year treat. During the Lunar New Year celebrations, walnut cookies hold a special place in Chinese households. Fact 2: Health benefits of walnuts. Walnuts, the star ingredient of these cookies, offer numerous health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to your snack repertoire. So, indulging in walnut cookies can be a guilt-free pleasure. Fact 3: Variations and regional flavors. While the traditional walnut cookies are well known, there are also regional variations with unique flavors. Some versions incorporate ingredients like sesame seeds or black sesame paste, adding an extra layer of complexity to the cookies. Exploring these regional variations can be a delightful culinary adventure. And there you have it, the irresistible world of walnut cookies. These delicious treats are not only a delight for the taste buds but also carry cultural significance and good luck wishes. So, the next time you come across a plate of walnut cookies, savor their crunchy exterior, relish their rich walnut flavor, and appreciate the traditions they represent. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more culinary explorations, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until then, happy snacking.